The busy bees. Once upon a time, in a vibrant meadow nestled between rolling hills and colorful wildflowers, there lived a bustling hive of bees. These bees were not just ordinary bees, they were known throughout the meadow for their extraordinary work ethic and unwavering dedication to their community. The hive was led by Queen Bee, a wise and caring leader who valued the importance of hard work and collaboration. The bees in her kingdom were diverse in their talents, each having a specific role that contributed to the hive's overall success. One sunny day, as the meadow blossomed with life, Queen Bee called a meeting to address the hive. She stood at the entrance, her regal presence commanding the attention of every bee. "My dear bees," Queen Bee began, "our home thrives because of your tireless efforts. Each of you plays a crucial role in our hive's prosperity, and I am proud of the work we accomplish together. Today, I want to share a story that reflects the essence of our unity and diligence." She then recounted the tale of a young worker bee named Buzz. Buzz was known for his exceptional dedication to his tasks, whether it was collecting nectar from flowers, constructing honeycombs, or guarding the hive. Buzz always gave his best. One day, the meadow faced a challenge. A storm had swept through, damaging some of the flowers and threatening the hive's food supply. The bees were faced with the daunting task of repairing the meadow and ensuring they had enough resources to survive the upcoming winter. Without hesitation, Buzz took the lead. He organized teams of bees to repair the damaged flowers and collect extra nectar to store in the hive. Buzz's enthusiasm and determination inspired the entire hive, and soon, every bee was working tirelessly to overcome the challenges they faced. As the winter approached, the hive stood strong, thanks to the collective efforts of its diligent inhabitants. Queen Bee commended Buzz and all the bees for their hard work, reminding them that their unity and industrious nature were the keys to their success. And so, the meadow continued to thrive, and the bees lived harmoniously, knowing that their commitment to hard work and collaboration ensured a bright and prosperous future for their hive. The moral of the story is that, like the bees in the meadow, our dedication and cooperation can overcome any challenge, leading to a future filled with success and prosperity.